Ms.Liz's animated story. Rainbow Bunny's Hand-Washing Adventure. Welcome to Learning with Rainbow Bunny. Today, Rainbow Bunny is going to show you how to wash your hands step by step. First, let's get our hands ready. Turn on the water and make sure both hands are nice and wet. Next, add a pump of soap. That's what helps chase away all the germs. Now rub your hands together. Make lots of bubbles. Turn your hands over and scrub the backs. One hand scrubs the other, then switch. Don't let the germs hide there. Slide all your fingers together and scrub between them. No spots left unwashed. Now give your fingertips a scrub. Rub them against your palms to get under those nails. Don't forget your thumbs. Wrap one hand around your thumb and twist, then switch and do the other one. Keep scrubbing for 20 whole seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All done scrubbing? Time to rinse. Hold your hands under the water and let the bubbles and germs wash away. Now dry your hands with one clean paper towel. Right hand, left hand. All dry. Last step. Use the same paper towel to turn off the faucet handle. That way, your hands stay clean and fresh. Awesome job! You've learned to wash your hands the Rainbow Bunny way. Safe, healthy, and ready for fun.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and watch it when you need help remembering the steps to washing your hands.